Something new came today from Rigid. Bam! The Mega Press jaw by Rigid for 1 inch for the compact. All right, so fits bad boys like this RP241 from Rigid. Check this out. Been waiting for a while for this. Started seeing it 3 years ago at AHR. It was a prototype then. I actually will be using it for my bench press fittings. So here's a 1 inch bench press fitting. So rascal goes in there like that. Nope, not gonna waste that. Fittings. I'm ecstatic. Picked it up at supplyhouse.com. Took 2 days to get. So that's kind of cool. I hate waiting 6 to 8 weeks for tools. That's horrible. Thanks Supply House. Thanks Rigid. And thanks Nipco for the bench press. And we'll be pressing.